Okay, I'm recording now.
Okay.
All right, so Dan, this is a 2006, I believe, Maserati Quattroporte.
Correct.
Porte, and this is the new clutch release bearing
Correct.
that we're putting on. And I just wanted you to explain, because sometimes our customers don't understand why is this bearing so expensive, and I think they're thinking of the bearing at the end of their ballpoint pen. Do you want to take this bearing off and show me exactly what this monster looks like? Because I also thought, you know, I'm in the office all day, I really thought a bearing was like a ball bearing. And this is actually more than a bearing, it's a bearing plus a, is it clutch?
It would be a slave cylinder as well. Inside here is where the seals are, where the fluid goes in and helps push this out, hence this going up onto the clutch pressure plate to release the clutch.
So it's a very highly engineered thing, and when it's operational, when it's brand new like that, then the movement is pretty much trouble-free, right?
Exactly. And with an old one, it should not make any sounds or anything like that at all. And what will happen, eventually the seals will start to leak, and you'll be leaking fluid into the into the bell housing.
Okay, and a bumpy ride, I guess, or grinding, contributing
Lots
to that.
of noise, horrible wear of the clutch.
Well, I guess with these cars, the clutch is something that tends to wear. I mean, it wears. It's a wearable part. But the solution is sometimes this part doesn't need to be replaced.
Sometimes it does not, but on this occasion, it does.
And sometimes we can get away with just resurfacing the flywheel, and if in fact we resurface that flywheel with Kevlar, it's I've been told it's actually better than a new clutch.
Include the disc, yeah.
The clutch disc.
Clutch disc in Kevlar, yes.
Okay, so, and in this case we had to resurface the clutch disc with Kevlar and replace this clutch release bearing.
Correct.
Which is a highly engineered part, which actually comes from, is it Hill Engineering?
That's Hill Engineering.
Hill Engineering. All right. Well, thank you, Dan.
You're welcome.